Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's go to Goo Bake Shop and visit their store. Come with me and let's order some cookies. So we're now here at Goo. It's just right in front of the corner house. Yes, that's in San Juan. Look at this doorknob, super cute cookie. And let's see their price list or their menu. Look at that. They also have some merch. So for today, we're gonna order the cookie and soft serve ice cream. I ordered the chocolate cookie classic for Ella with the soft serve ice cream and then the dark chocolate for me plus the soft serve. And I ordered takeout also, the 8 pieces, assorted 8 pieces of bites, the samplers. So now let's try this. Look at me naman. Sobra na akong nag-e-enjoy dito sa soft serve ko and the dark chocolate chip cookie. Ano kaya ang calories? Gaano kaya ka bigat ito? How much is the calories of this thing? Gaano katagal kaya ako magwo-walking at magjo-jog para lang burn ko tong calories na ito na pinagkakakain ko. Siyempre gusto ko ng pampataba pero nagda-diet ako. Nagka-crave talaga ako for the cookies kasi I've already tried these cookies before. Nag-order ako online. Pero now that they revealed their physical store, ayan, syempre, pinuntahan natin siya para makita natin what's going on. Sobrang daming tao, sobrang daming nakaline, and you have to go there nang driver kayo kasi wala talagang parking, guys. And you have to park sa corner house, which is 60 pesos yung parking kapag may validation, and 300 pag hindi nyo na ipa-validate. It's just right across, so tumawid na lang kayo. So para sa akin na hindi marunong tumawid, talagang buwis buhay para lang makapunta sa Goo. So now, eto si Ella. Sobrang nasarapan din siya. I asked her kung kamusta yung cookie niya and the soft serve. And she asked me kung meron daw akong tinake out. And sabi ko, yes, meron. Look at this doorknob. Sobrang cute talaga. As in. And here the cookie choices pala. Ayan. So now, it's time to go home, guys. Siyempre, may bit akong paper bag ng One World din because I had to buy something para makapagpa-validate ng parking ticket. At ayan, may nagbebenta pa nga ng balloons dito. So, let's go home, guys. Ito yung tinake out ko. Ang laman nito ay 8 pieces of assorted flavors. The bites, ito yung maliliit na samplers. So, 2 of each kasi 4 flavors sila. So, ayan, let's go. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung laman niya. At ang receipt namin, 910 pesos ang nagastos namin. Diba? So, ayan. Worth it naman siya sa lasa niya. Grabe. It's really worth it sa price and sa taste niya. So, go to Goo. Goodness in a box. Very good naman talaga. So, I really love this. I like it. It's soft, chewy, masarap, affordable, worth the price, and worth it na nagpunta ako doon to try their cookies. Doon sa kanilang physical store, 8 pieces siya, 4 flavors, ayan, of all the flavors kinuha ko na, ayan, para lang matry. Siyempre, 8 pieces lang. Para naman hindi tayo masyadong tumaba. Para hindi masyadong tumaba. Mauubos ko kaya lahat yan. I'll share it with Andy, with Mix, Luigi, and syempre si Ella. Kung maabutan nila, go!
So guys, thank you again for watching and I hope you liked this very yummy, nakakatabang vlog from Goo. Goodness in a box. So, I hope to see you soon. Ci vediamo! Arrivederci, grazie mille! Thank you so much!